Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. May Allah protect us all. Ameen. Today we are going to start our new term, our new lesson, unit number 2, citizenship, and its lesson is for all to use. We are going to discuss these points in this lesson: community, citizens, citizenship, services, private, public, and tax. First of all, community. All the people living in one place form a community. The community can be a village, a town, or a city. And then citizens, the people of a country are its citizens, and the people who live near your house are your neighbors. Citizenship involves people acting together to address issues and improve society. Every community has things which are shared by all the people. The house in which you live may be your own, but the street is not. You share the street with other people as a citizen of your village, town, or city. You share that place with other people in it. You share many other things too. Sharing these things means that we must also share the responsibility for them. Services, some things are for all of us to use. They are called services. Some of them are the air we breathe, water we use, schools, hospitals, public transport, roads, colleges, streets, electricity, footpaths, clinics, shops, markets, etc. Services can be private or public. Private means they belong to someone. Public means they are for everyone. Now the next point is tax. Some people are paid to clean the streets or to repair telephone lines or fix electricity problems or to deliver mail to people's houses. They are paid by tax. And what is tax? Money collected from taxes is used by the government to provide services for everyone. At the end, we are going to talk about government. We can't all make the rules, so we have an election. We vote and choose people who will make the rules for us. The members of the government decide how much tax we have to pay and what services to